In this video, I am going to discuss about table and that how to insert a table and how to use its functions. So let's start. This is our data and we want to convert it into a table. So we can convert it into a table using the shortcut key, that is Control T. And another method is to insert a table by going into Insert tab, click on Table, and it will automatically select all data rows and columns. And if your table has header names or column names, then you must have to keep this checkbox checked and then click on OK. Now your table has been created, and after creating a table, you can rename the table from here. I'm going to rename it as sales underscore table. I have put underscore here because we cannot put a space in the table name. Now the table has been renamed. Another function is we can also format the table from here. We can remove duplicates from the table. For example, we have data of a country more than one time, so if we want to appear only once, then we can use the option remove duplicates. For example, if we want appeared only one time for the country, then we can use the option remove duplicates. So click on remove duplicates. It will automatically ask about which column you want to remove the duplicates. So we are going to remove duplicates from the country column, so deselect all columns except for the country column and click on OK. Now only unique values are remaining here. A table has default filters applied on the column name. So if you want to filter data, for example, if we want to see the data for the country Germany, so click on filter and deselect all options, only click on Germany and click on OK. So only Germany data is showing here. You can also remove the filter by clicking on filter and clear filter from country. So the filter has been removed. If we want to insert more rows or columns, we can simply drag it down to insert a row. For example, I'm going to insert a data like this and this. And if we want to apply any formula, for example, I want the profit of all data, I am going to apply the formula is equals to sum and select these. So it will automatically give the table name and the column name here and the sum here. The table has main advantages that if we insert a row or column and we have multiple formulas applied on this column, so it will automatically refresh the formula after inserting a row or column or any value. Like this, we have inserted another row and the sum has been refreshed. We have a more interesting and important function for a table here, that is a slicer. Slicer is basically a filter, but in the form of buttons. So that if we want to apply filter on country and on product and on date, so simply we click on insert slicer and here the column names are showing. So select the columns on which you want to apply the filter, click on country product and date. Click on OK. So here 3 slicers have been created. We can modify slicers. For example, here is only one column. If we want the columns to be increased, then simply increase the columns and it will be modified. Simply here, according to your presentation, you can modify the slicers. For example, I want to see the data for Canada country and for product Montana and for the date 10 January 2013. So here we can filter and sub-filter the data using slicers. The advantage of slicer is here that it is more user friendly and it is more presentable, and it gives a quick filter method for your data. You can also clear filters from the slicer by clicking on clear filter, and it will remove all the filters from the table. So it's all about the table, and I will also discuss about the pivot table in my another video. So if you want to see that, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.